موت لوياني موت لوياني موت لوياني موت لوياني موت لوياني موت لوياني موت لوياني
Hello everybody, Bilisummah Radio Show starts right now here on YouTube. Be right back. Stay tuned right here, everybody. Oh boy, here we go again. Who is this guy? Yes, we heard you. That's enough. That's enough, huh? Look, I'm not Wayane over here, buddy. Thank you very much. We heard you. That's enough. Thank you. Oh boy. Hello everybody, welcome to Bilisummah Radio Show here. I'm Oyesa here behind the microphone, Bilisummah Radio Show. Stay tuned, I have so many questions. Let's see here. Turn off this music here. Here we go again. Thank you. Okay. I have 10 questions here related to the Ethiopian embassy shooting the gun. Yes, questions related to the gun, Girm Birru, and the gunman, Solomon Tedessa, King Solomon over there at the embassy, trying to be in charge over there on September 29. He did all he could with his gun over there. He fired this gun over there. King Solomon Tedessa over there at the TPLF embassy. That was September 29. I have questions. If you have answers, you can email the answers to BilisummaaShow at gmail.com, BilisummaaTV@gmail.com, or BilisummaaShow @gmail.com. I have 1 through 10 questions again related to the gun, Girm Birru, and King Solomon Tedessa over there. Okay, question number 1. Where did Solomon Tedessa get the gun from that he used at the Ethiopian embassy, aka TPLF embassy over there in Washington, D.C.? Number 2, did Girm Birru give the gun to Solomon Tedessa to shoot and kill the unarmed protesters on September 29, 2014? Number 3, who owned the gun that was used at the Ethiopian embassy? Number 4, did Solomon Tedessa buy the gun on the street of Washington, D.C.? Question number 5, was the gun registered in the name of Solomon Tedessa, the gunman himself? That's interesting. Number 6, did Girm Birru buy the gun on the street of Washington, D.C.? I don't know. Number 7, was the gun registered in the name of Girm Birru? Number 8, was the gun registered at all? Number 9, was the gun registered in the name of the Ethiopian embassy over there in Washington, D.C.? Question number 10, the last one, was the gun registered in the name of Hailemariam Desalegn? Believe it or not, Hailemariam Desalegn is known as Prime Minister of Ethiopia. If you like him or not, he's there. Yes, he's in charge. I don't know. Anyways, those are my questions. Those are 10 questions. If you have answers for them, let me know. I do have answer for if you want to know where the gun that Tedessa, yes, Solomon Tedessa used that gun that was used on September 29. I think, in my opinion, the gun is at the Secret Service office over there in Washington, D.C., because the gun is going to be used as evidence in a future if Solomon Tedessa decided to come to the U.S. Yes, so that, I think I answered that question for you. If you are wondering, again, if you don't know where the gun is here in Washington, D.C., not over there at the Solomon Tedessa's home over there somewhere inside Shagar. Thank you so much for listening to Bilisumma Radio Show here. If you have answers for those questions, email to bilisummaaShow@gmail.com or bilisummaaTV@gmail.com. Let's hear that guy one more time. Of course, as you all already heard or know, this was from September 29. Monday, about lunchtime, Washington, D.C., September 29. Here we go. Play that. Yes, sir. Oh, we heard you, sir. Yes. Yes. Thank you very much. We heard you. You are listening to BilisummaaShow Radio Show here on YouTube, everybody. Thank you so much for listening to BilisummaaShow here. Today is October 13, 2014, BilisummaaShow Radio Show. Thank you so much. Take care. Until next time.